ako na yung front sa ating law enforcement pati military. Sinabi ko na I will protect you and ako ang managot sa lahat. To my countrymen, just to give you the current situation, I am about to land there sa kay galing ako Dubai, stop over for last kitchen clinic. It's a long haul, it's a long flight. Okay ako do not worry. And yeah, I think this is something to do with the law and order now. At sinasabi ko naman sa mga pulis, military na trabaho kayo at ako ang managot. So ito na nga, for all of the whatever happened in the past, ako na yung front sa ating law enforcement pati military. Sinabi ko na I will protect you and ako ang managot sa lahat. Yeah, this will be a long legal proceedings, but I say to you, I will continue to serve the country. That so be it. So, ginagamit ako but then this is the legal. Salamat at